Hi everybody, I'm David Zito and welcome back to another home DIY project. Today we are renovating our half bathroom. It's already decorated, but we were kind of getting tired of the design and so we wanted to change it up a bit. There's going to be a lot involved in this renovation. We're thinking about changing the paint color, swapping out the sink, replacing all the fixtures. We're also going to deal with that off-center window by placing a built-in shelving unit. First thing we did was remove the old sink. It was sealed against the wall and the floor, so it required a bit of chiseling. There are also two bolts on either side of the sink that needed to be removed. One tip I have for you is if you do remove your own sink, be sure to plug up the drain hole. The smell that came out of that is unbelievable. Next up, we painted the walls. The paint color we chose was a dark purple. It was a nice color and it went with the theme of what we had in mind for the decor of the bathroom. To be honest, we were a little lazy on painting the whole wall. We decided to just paint up to the point where the panels would cover up the old paint. The white panels that we used came in 8x4s. So what we did was cut them in half and wrapped it around the whole entire bathroom. We cut holes in the panels just to accommodate the light switch and outlets. We also did the same for the plumbing for the toilet and sink. Moving on to the window, we didn't like how it was positioned in the bathroom. It was off-center to the room and it was off-center to the toilet. So what we decided to do was install a built-in shelving unit. The shelf itself is smaller than the window, so the center can be shifted over. What we used were 1x4 pieces of pine wood. We wrapped it around with white trim and we painted the whole thing white to match the panels in the bathroom. For the windows, we also covered them with a dark tint. So for anyone looking in from the outside, they would not see the actual shelving unit. Up next, we installed the trim around the board to cover up the top portion of the panels. All we had to do were miter cuts on the ends, make them to the right length, and secured them with a nail gun. We also applied a sealant on the corners to cover up the seams. We also installed crown molding in the bathroom. We had crown molding all along the other parts of the house, so it just made sense to install it in the bathroom as well. Finally, it was time to install the new sink. It was a perfect fit for the half bathroom. We thought it matched well with the purple wall and went along with the Gothic look. And this is how it turned out. It has been some time since we finished the bathroom renovation. We did add artwork to the walls to give it a gallery look. It was also one of our bigger projects that we completed, so it was a lot of fun to do. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.